Take a ride in the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, mini spare tire, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.